Hey guys, welcome to Akungba Waterfall. Yo. Welcome to Akungba Waterfall. Akungba Waterfall is located at Medoline, opposite Adekunle Ajayi University. Akungba Akoko. I know you'll be surprised that what does Akungba Waterfall has to do with the first video in which I showed in my video. Now that's Niagra Waterfall and it is located in Canada. So this is Akungba Waterfall. Akungba Waterfall is where people come around to refresh themselves. Students and indigenous that live around there come around to swim, even though the water is not that clean, but they still swim and they hike to the top. They enjoy themselves. Akungba Waterfall is surrounded by green leaves, rock, and atmosphere that are breathtaking. So, if you are in Akungba and you want to see our waterfall, come during the rainy season so that you'll be able to witness it live and direct. Anywhere in Akungba Akoko, find a way down to medoline. You can either go with a bike or you go with your own personal car. Depending on where you're coming from, the cost of transportation varies from one place to another. If you are coming from anywhere, just tell them you are going to medoline and negotiate with them. For someone like me, I was coming from Akumi quarters, I paid 200 naira and the bike brought me to the place. So depending on where you're coming from as well, just find a way down to Schoolgate and find a way down to medoline. Ensure you come with friends, come with people that has the energy that match your spirit, so that you guys can hike to the top together and can swim. And if you cannot swim, you can just take a picture, put your leg in the cold water in order for you to just show that you belong. This place is actually amazing, but I wish it can be more developed into a place where people can come around maybe during rainy season, during dry season, and it serves as a means of remuneration to the people. Look at the landscape. The landscape is green and you can see different places, different farmland, different animals from the place, from birds to... So the water is amazing. The water is cold and I did not even know the source of the water. I don't know where it's coming from. I tried to use my drone to check where the water is coming from, but I was unable to get it. So plan a date to come to this place and ensure you come with a comfortable footwear so that you'll be able to walk and not fall. Come with food. You can get food from the junction. Come with food, come with water, come with sandbar so that you can listen to good music while you chill here. You can even come here after your exam period, after you've gone through stress. If you don't have money to go and swim in a pool, just come here. It is free and it is from the nature. I wish we can have something like Niagra Waterfall in Akungba. People will definitely come all over Ondo State, will definitely come and explore this place. But now that we don't have Niagra Waterfall in Akungba, at least we have Medoline Waterfall. So let's enjoy while it lasts, since it's free. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends who also school here. Bye. Akungba is surrounded by landscape, stone, hills, and mountain, valleys. So it's an amazing sight to behold. So I'm going back and I met an amazing person here. Hello, Gabriel. His name is Gabriel. Gabriel, say hello to the camera.
Hello.
Yeah, Gabriel lives around this place, so he do come here regularly every Saturday. But today, a lot of people didn't come around, but students do visit this place every Saturday to hike and to swim. Hopefully another time I'll come when people are around.
Bye.